Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. So before we get this started, I want to say I filmed this yesterday. And I deleted my breakfast portion, but I'm sure you guys are interested, you know, in seeing what I have for breakfast. So even though it's not that interesting, I'm gonna still vlog it. I am gonna make it interesting for you guys today though. I'm gonna be making eggs and bacon for myself for breakfast and a strawberry smoothie with almond milk. And a lot of people always say like, oh, I thought you couldn't have fruit on keto. And strawberries or berries of any kind are the only fruit you can have, but you can't have like an excessive amount of it. You can have like a limited amount. So yeah, I will be making myself a strawberry smoothie with almond milk, and I'll show you guys the process in doing that. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with frozen strawberries. I get these from Dollar Tree, so nothing too crazy, nothing expensive. They're not like organic or anything. 2.9 ounces of strawberries, 15.7 ounces of almond milk. Then I'm gonna add some vanilla extract, just some regular vanilla extract. And then for sugar, I'm going to be using the pure organic stevia. This is my family and I's favorite sugar we've tried while on keto. Alright, and so this is my breakfast. I know it's not the prettiest, especially after I popped my yolk, but it is what it is. And it's going to be super good. It's 3 slices of bacon and 2 eggs with my strawberry smoothie. So for this breakfast, it's 6 grams of net carbs, 28 grams of fat, 21 grams of protein, and 378 grams of calories. And 378 calories. So overall, I think we're doing pretty good. Yeah, so this is my breakfast. I'm gonna eat this and you guys will see the rest of the video. So it does change a little bit because obviously it's a different breakfast today than it was yesterday. But other than that, I just hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching. So I just had to brush my hair, so that's what I did. But now I'm gonna make a lasagna to eat. So I'm gonna be using 1 clean zucchini as my base, and then I'm gonna be using about half a packet of this ground beef, and then Rao's tomato sauce, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But for right now, I'm gonna put the half a packet of beef to cook and slice this up, and I'll show you guys right now when it's done. Finished kind of cutting up my zucchini. It's like a little bed of zucchini, and I just used this, I don't know what it is, but yeah, I used that. That's about 5.2 ounces of zucchini, and then my beef is just browning in the background. And this is the tomato sauce I use. So I use Rao's homemade tomato basil sauce. It has 5 grams of carbs for half a cup. Okay, so I have about my half a cup, about just adding it to my beef. So this is for me and my aunt, between the both of us. So yeah, I'm gonna let this cook, and honestly I think I'm gonna add a little more garlic powder, just because I do like it with a little more garlic powder. And then we're gonna add it to the zucchini. But for today I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna put the zucchini in the oven for a couple minutes before the meat, just so they can crisp up a little bit, because last time they didn't cook that well. So I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt and just garlic salt I think, and then just let it simmer. Maybe some lemon pepper, that might be interesting, but who knows. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in the oven real quick, and then while that's in the oven, I'm gonna weigh my cheese. So my family and I, this is just the regular cheese that we use. This is the Great Value mozzarella. A lot of people in the keto community will say not to use this cheese because they put flour on it so it won't stick together. I don't care. So I really don't care. And obviously it doesn't affect me that much because I've still been able to lose 65 pounds. I'm gonna do about 3 ounces. Okay, so it's only in there for about 11 minutes. It kind of got crispy though. Let me see. Ooh, okay. So, I kind of want to leave it in there a little bit longer just because it still feels really soft. So I think I'm going to leave it in there for another 10 minutes just so that it can firm up because it's still really, really soft. So I'm going to leave it in there for another 10 minutes and we'll check back with it in 10. This is so much better. It's a little bit crispier. You can just tell the difference. Honestly, yes, I'm happy with that. So I have my beef here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese now. So I'm not going to cover it. I'm just going to put it in the oven like this. So I'll be back in 15 minutes to see what it's looking like. But yeah, that was pretty much it for my lasagna. Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like. I know it don't look too pretty. So I'm going to cut it up and serve it and show it to you guys in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like. Serve. So in total for the macros for my meal are 4 grams of net carbs. 42 grams of fat, and 29 grams of protein, 512 calories. Okay, y'all, so it's kind of late now. It's 8 o'clock. I do want to have some dinner though, so I'm gonna have some leftover steak from yesterday, which is just about 3.1 ounces. A counter carb tortilla. So these tortillas have about 5 grams of carbs, and I'm gonna put 1.3 ounces of cheese, the same mozzarella cheese from before. I added some paprika, and now I'm gonna add some lemon. So I have some brisket, paprika, and lemon. This is my dinner for tonight. And I also have some Coke Zero. Alright, y'all. So I'm back in my table. I didn't get to sleep much yesterday. But I wanted to show you guys my macros because I know a lot of people like ask me like what it is exactly that I'm like doing. So I do around 25 grams of net carbs. But I do for the most part 1486 calories. 120 grams of protein, 102 grams of fat, 25 grams of net carbs. I almost never hit my carb limit. Today though I did go over my fat. I went 11 grams over my fat intake, which is okay, you know, I don't care much. I'm good pretty much all week, so every once in a while going over it and enjoying my food is not gonna kill me. This is like a different format, I guess, of like showing you guys what I eat, which is weird. Also another dilemma that I face when doing these videos is literally the fact that I eat pretty much the same thing over and over. Like, I'm a creature of habit, and hopefully I can make more content that you guys enjoy. Please let me know what you guys want to see, because I know you guys want to see more keto videos. I still get DMs about people like asking me like how I can help them, or like dropping my routine, or like doing this or doing that, which I do not mind whatsoever. If you guys have questions or something, let me know. The DMs are always super kind, super lovely. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like that, if you guys have any more questions, my DMs are open. You guys know my comments are open. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. See you guys. Stinky.